In today's video, we'll be taking a look at Magic Write, Canva's latest AI feature, and discussing how authors can use it to help them better write their books. So as I previously mentioned, we will be using Canva Magic Write feature, which is partnered with AI to generate some new ideas for your book. So what you're going to do is log into your Canva account. Once you're inside of your account, you're going to be looking for Doc. If you don't see it here, then you can also search here Magic Write or Doc, and it shall come up. Either one. So multiple ways to access this feature if it's not readily available on your home screen. Okay, so once you are there and you have opened up the document, okay, so once you're there and you click on Doc, you should see a screen that opens up and looks like this. So what you are then going to do is click on this plus icon right here. Once you click on the plus icon, you will see Magic Write. Now click on that, and then you're going to prompt the AI or Canva Magic Write on what you want it to do. So let's say that you are writing a children's book on unicorn and rainbows. That is about an adventure. So let the Magic Write know that you want to write a children's book on unicorn and rainbows that is about an adventure between a young boy and girl. Click enter, and then you have a short story that was created by that. Now, as a publisher, I would not recommend literally copying and pasting this story and turning it into a children's book. However, what you could do is use it to generate some ideas for that. So for example, you can start by reviewing line by line. And then let's just do the first section right here. So once upon a time in a magical land, a young boy and girl set out on an adventure to find the elusive unicorn. So what you could then add in for you as the author of your book, you could probably add in something like the boys, you can give the character a name. The boy's name was Bob and the girl's name was Lily. So you can add it and build on the story from that. Of course, they have the other stuff in here about they wandered through the fields, etc. and such and such. If you want, you could also add a name to the unicorn. So now it says majestic unicorn, but you may want to name the unicorn. So, and give the unicorn even some sort of feature or trait, signature trait or characteristic style. So magic unicorn that runs quickly and cannot fly. And then from there, you can maybe even give the unicorn a specific character that says something along the lines of, he cannot fly because he is scared of heights. And then you start to build on that character there. So this is just a quick example of how you can use this feature to start to generate some ideas for your children's book. Now, let's say that you do not necessarily want to write a children's book. Maybe you want to write a very informative book on a specific topic based on your industry niche. So you'll head back to the little plus sign, click on that, click on Magic Write. Now, let's say that you are writing a book about marketing because you have a marketing agency, you're a marketer, that's what you do. and you wanted to provide marketing strategies for the millennial entrepreneur using TikTok. So let's put that in. So write a book about the marketing strategies for the millennial entrepreneur using TikTok. Now, here's the thing with using any AI feature, whether it's Magic Write or ChatGPT or anything like that, they're going to give you the summary. You won't necessarily find 30,000 words to put into a book. Now, what I like though is, especially with this, is that just putting in that prompt a while ago, we were able to generate a title for the book, have the introduction so you understand what you need to add on to that, an outline of the chapters 1 through 5, and the conclusion. So technically, what they just did was created your outline for your book, saving you tons of time. Now, this is a good way to leverage Canva's AI features. Use Magic Write to get started with your book. So in this situation, depending on the prompt, then you were able to either outline your book or even have a story that you could add on. So either way, it was an outline. Now, let's try doing this same prompt just to see if it'll get done if we put in 20,000 words. Just to see. Okay, so maybe this would also take a little bit more time to generate. And it still doesn't give you 20,000 words, as you can see. And I don't think these AI features are able to do that, but I believe that it's able to give you a real good solid outline. And so that's some of the benefits in using these features. So once again, it gave you an outline, and if anything, what I would do is I would give the prompts to Canva Magic Write 3 times, and then look at combining some of the information to see what they're saying. Is it repetitive, or can this be used? Can this be now included? Because if you look here in the second option that we did, it has case studies. In the first prompt that we did, it doesn't have case studies as an option. So you could add that in for your chapter 6 and go from there. So that is some of the benefits of ways that you can use Canva AI feature Magic Write to help begin writing your book.